Yeah, g'day, I'm Dave McKay from Barraville on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. We run a dairy farm here in a little place called Missabody. We milk 500 Jersey cows and we produce 3 million litres of milk a year. We supply to the local factory Norco. We milk them on 400 hectares and a family business. We've started it 40 odd years ago now. It's a pretty good place to milk cows. It's reliable rainfall and a beautiful place to live.
I'm James Owen from Chase Renewables and we're at McKay Farm, which is a dairy farm in New South Wales near Coffs Harbour. As you can see on the roof, we've installed over 70 kilowatt of solar with 50 kilowatt inverter and 93 kilowatt of battery, which has allowed them to be 70% self-sufficient for the grid. Now they're so happy with the results of the batteries with SolaX, where they're going to install another 93 kilowatt of battery, allowing them to be over 80 to 90% self-sufficient and saving over $12,000 per quarter. Now from partnering with SolaX, we've been able to install this solar system, and with all the technical support and the design support, we're able to put this together, this solution that's allowed them to save over 70% off their electricity bills.
James Damon from Chase Renewables approached us and put a proposition to us about putting some solar on, and we agreed to it, and we put on solar panels and SolaX batteries to help save power on the dairy. Our power bill's normally around $12,000 and we've now got it down to we've saved probably 65% of our power bill per quarter. We're looking at to try more batteries to save putting money back into the grid. We'll be close to be self-sufficient then. We'll still have a little bit of grid money, I imagine, but not much, so that's the plan in the future. Yeah, we found Chase Renewables really good. The workmanship is second to none. They work all day and half the night, and to put the 70 kilowatt system on, it took about 2.5 to 3 days to do. So they really got into it, and no trouble at all. It all works fine. I could recommend them highly to anyone, and the SolaX batteries too.
SolaX provide the best solution for dairy farm like this, and because of their dairy machine consume a huge energy. So SolaX product can help them to save a lot of energy bill. Not only for saving their bill, SolaX offers 10 years warranty for their battery and inverter product, and we offer them a best after-sales service in Australia.